Imagine waking up one day, reaching into your wallet, and finding that those crisp dollar bills you used to know are completely obsolete. Yeah, that sounds crazy, right? But here's the thing. What if I told you this future isn't as far away as you think? The way we understand money is about to change forever, and the way you handle it will determine whether you thrive or struggle. We're living through the most significant financial transformation since the invention of the credit card. If you want to stay ahead, you better start paying attention right now. Because let's be real, the future waits for no one, and the last place you want to be is stuck in the past, still clinging to outdated financial habits. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Think about this for a second. When was the last time you paid for something with cash? Exactly. We're moving towards a cashless society, and that's just the beginning. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies are not just digital monopoly money, they're the new frontier of finance. Decentralized currencies are gaining momentum because people are tired of centralized banks playing with their hard-earned cash like it's a game of poker. Moment. I'm not saying you need to go all in on crypto, but if you're not paying attention to how blockchain technology is reshaping the economy, you might miss out on the biggest financial shift of our generation. Here's the kicker. Major players like PayPal, MasterCard, and even the Federal Reserve are exploring digital currencies. So, the question is, are you going to ride the wave or get left behind? Quick question. What's more terrifying, losing your phone or losing your wallet? In the future, it might not matter because your phone will be your wallet. All right, let's talk about CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Imagine having a digital dollar directly issued by the government, bypassing commercial banks entirely. Sounds convenient, right? But here's where it gets interesting and a little scary. CBDCs are going to give governments more control over money than ever before. Picture this: instant taxes, automatic fines, and even programmable money that could restrict how you spend your funds. Yeah, it's like having Big Brother in your wallet. But here's the silver lining. This technology could make financial transactions faster and more efficient. It's all about control versus convenience. But hey, who am I kidding? Do any of us really trust the government to do what's best with our money? If you think CBDCs are the end game, hold tight because the next wave of change will completely blow your mind. What's coming next? Hint: it's about money you can't even see. Artificial intelligence is about to become your new financial advisor, whether you like it or not. Algorithms are already making decisions for hedge funds, automating trades at speeds no human could ever match. But what happens when these algorithms control all financial decisions? Imagine an AI analyzing your spending habits and deciding that, oops, you're cut off from splurging on that avocado toast. Sounds ridiculous? It's already happening. Some banks are using AI to monitor customer behavior and flag risky transactions. The good news? AI can optimize your investments, cut down your debt, and even help you save without lifting a finger. The bad news? Well, let's just say, if you're not careful, it could control you, all right? Real talk. Who here has tried to budget but ends up saying, it's fine, I'll start next month? Yeah, AI won't let you get away with that excuse anymore. Now, let's shift gears. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are more than just overpriced digital art. They're the building blocks of digital ownership. Imagine buying virtual real estate in a digital world and then making real money off it. Sounds like sci-fi? It's happening right now. The metaverse isn't just a playground for gamers. It's becoming a new economic space where people buy, sell, and trade everything from digital sneakers to virtual land. Here's the reality check. As the lines between the real world and digital space blur, so does the concept of ownership. And if you're thinking NFTs are just a fad, consider this. Brands like Nike and Gucci are already cashing in. Are you ready to jump into this new gold rush? But what if the next big investment opportunity isn't something you can touch or even see? Keep watching because what's coming next will blow your mind. Okay, here's where it gets wild. Imagine a world where money as we know it doesn't exist. Instead of dollars and cents, we could be trading social credits, reputation scores, or even personal data as currency. It might sound crazy, but China is already experimenting with a social credit system where your behavior determines your access to services. And before you dismiss it as a dystopian nightmare, think about how social media already controls your reputation. The truth is, in the future, the most valuable currency might not be cash, gold, or even Bitcoin. It could be your attention. So, what are you investing your time and energy into? Because in the end, it might be worth more than money. All right, quick question. If you had to choose, would you rather lose all your money for a month or lose your social media followers? It's a tough one, isn't it? We've covered a lot today. Digital currencies, AI finance, the rise of the metaverse, and a future where money might not even exist. But here's the harsh reality. The future is coming whether you're ready for it or not. What you choose to do right now will determine your financial future. Are you going to wait and see? Or are you going to adapt, learn, and make smart moves? Remember, there's no time to waste. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to catch up. So, don't get left behind. If you want to take control of your financial future, don't stop here. Click on the video that's popping up right now. It's all about the 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s, 30s, and beyond. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Because sometimes knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. See you over there. Tap here to continue your journey toward financial freedom. Include high-energy background music, engaging visuals, and occasional on-screen text to emphasize key points and keep viewers hooked throughout. Add pattern interrupts like sound effects or quick jump cuts to maintain engagement.